Namaste, love and light, Ave, Pax Tibi. Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, and today we are giving advice using the I Ching, our little finch, which you hear singing, and the saints. Okay. To start, as usual, we will ask guidance not only by our little finch, but also from Our Lady of Banne. So we are going to light the candle and, of course, see that we don't set the bus in fire. Here we go. Ave. Alright. Always take care with fire. Don't get burned by it. Unless it's for love. Okay. So I said today it's Tuesday. I don't know when you are watching this, but let's see what kind of a Tuesday this is. This is a calendar which was first printed in 1915, and let's see at this Tuesday. I don't know what Tuesday you are watching, but you can find it out if you look it up. Today we celebrate the following saints. That is the saints Valerius and Rufin of Soissons, the Saint Anastasius, Saint Hartwig, and Saint Elisha. Now, I got a little book here, Saints, which was offered to me as Christmas present by one of my sons. And let's have a look what our saint has to say today. Saint Elisha, yes. By reading his short bio, perhaps this can be of some inspiration too. Saint Elisha was a prophet. Elisha, a rich landowner, was plowing a field with 12 yoke of oxen when the prophet Elijah, not Elijah, but Elijah, that's the other one, that's another prophet, famous prophet, when the prophet Elijah threw his mantle over him and asked him to follow him. He obeyed, became a disciple of Elijah, and continued his work. He was not a writing prophet, but a miracle worker, and his many miracles are related in the Bible. His history is narrated in 2 books of Kings in the Old Scriptures. He died around 790 before Christ. Celebrations of his feast began within the Carmelite order in 13th and 14th century. Yes. And yes, this is a book of saints with paintings of them by famous artists. And this one is by Tintoretto. I will show it to you in a second. He is depicted with the scroll of his prophecies and in various episodes of his life. Elisha is from the Hebrew and means God saves. Here you can see, or on the internet you Google it, Elisha depicted by Tintoretto. And now a train is coming. Hello train. So now for the I Ching. What has the I Ching in store for us today? On Monday we used a Paulo Coelho card deck from Santiago de Compostela. I bought this. This is a I Ching card deck which was made by Han Boering, a famous Dutch I Ching professor. Yes. The book you see here is written by him. And to celebrate the 10th anniversary of his translation, a complete new one was printed. And also this year he published another book, Essence of the I Ching. This is in Dutch because Han is Dutch, and if you, by coincidence, would be a translator, translate this book so that the world may see it, may read it. It's a very good one. It's a very good one. And also these cards were made by Mr. Han Boering, the 64 hexagrams each having a card. For example, this one is, yes, the wind, yeah, number hexagram 57. So I will shuffle the cards, and then we have the second advice for today, apart from our miracle worker Elijah. Here we go. We shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Cards. We cut the deck. And then I will surprise you and me too. I will show you the card first. I don't know if it's upside down. Let's see. No, it's not upside down. Let's see what hexagram it's. Oh, it's upside down. It's hexagram number 50, which is a very beautiful one because in the first translation, of the most famous translation here in the West, is done by Richard Wilhelm, and in this translation was made famous because there was the magic foreword from Carl Jung, and Carl Jung advised the Western world to read the I Ching, and he consulted that before publishing this foreword, and he also had hexagram number 50. You see? So I think this is good advice for today, because this is the kettle, the ting, 50. So if you want to know what this means, it's kind of abundancy, you know, this card, this hexagram number 50. So I wish you all the best with this number 50. Google it or look it up in the famous translation by Richard Wilhelm, and read the foreword by Carl Jung. So I think this was a very nice advice today from the I Ching, and it will stand the test of time. 50 greetings from Boutman. Namaste. Ave. Love and light. Yes, I have to. All right, there we go. Bye bye.